The Tesco Bank app is essential for managing your finances, but like any app, it can encounter issues. As of October 2025, common reasons to reset the app include resolving login freezes, fixing transaction errors, and ensuring optimal performance after major updates. Recent security enhancements also make periodic resets a good practice. Resetting involves three key steps: clearing the cache, reinstalling the app, and re-registering your device. Doing this can resolve glitches without affecting your bank balance. First, clear the cache to remove temporary data that might be causing issues. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Tesco Bank, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Next, reinstall the app by first uninstalling it from your device. After uninstalling, restart your device to clear any residual data. Finally, re-register by opening the app and entering your login details. Complete biometric verification or answer security questions for multi-factor authentication, which is crucial for security. If issues persist, contact Tesco Bank support.